Okay, am I audible, ma? Am I audible? Please respond, Rishita. 39, okay, ma. Okay, what we discussed in the previous session? What we discussed in the previous session? I think we have completed hashing, right? Please respond, ma. Sharath, Seshu, Rishita, Nalini, 53. Any one of you, can you please respond?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have completed, hashing we have completed. After that, have you seen permutations and combination? Permutation and combination, have you seen? Say yes or no, ma. Permutation, combination, choosama.
No, ma'am. Hashing completed.
Only hashing we have completed. Okay, I'll take the attendance manually. Why you people are not responding? Sharath, roll number 3. Roll number 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 20, 22.
Yes, ma'am.
If I call your number, then only you'll respond. That's it. Roll number 23,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Yes, ma'am.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
అందరు ఉన్నారు సిస్టమ్ లో ఉంది కానీ రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వరు 27, 28,
Yes, ma'am.
31.
Yes, ma'am.
శేషు మాట్లాడడానికి ఏమయ్యా
Ma'am, ఇప్పుడే ఆడియో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాము.
రిషిత,
Ma'am,
why you are not responding?
ma'am, I've logged in through my cell phone, ma'am. Like my laptop is having, it's troubling me since morning.
Okay, Nalini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
మరి ఎందుకు మాట్లాడట్లేదు మ్యామ్
మ్యామ్ ప్రీవియస్ గా నేను అటెండ్ కాలేదు మ్యామ్, అందుకే నాకు ఐడియా లేదు.
హ్యాషింగ్ అటెండ్ అయ్యో
మ్యామ్ లాస్ట్ వీక్ నేను అటెండ్ కాలేదు.
ఓకే ఎనీవే ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ టు ద సెషన్. మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకపోతే నాకేం అర్థం కాదు కదా మీరు అసలు ఉన్నారా లేరు. Okay, we have completed only hashing. Now we will discuss about probability as well as permutation and combination. First we will see permutation and combination and then we'll move on to the probability part. So permutation and combination, can anyone tell me what is the formula for permutation? What is the formula for permutation? Permutation means, is it NPR or not? Yes, it is NPR. What is the formula for this NPR? What is the formula for this? NPR formula ఏంటమ్మా మీకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో రాలేదా? n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What is the formula for NPR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Right? So, what is NCR? What is NCR here? Sorry, I think this is NCR formula. What is NPR n factorial by n minus r factorial? That's it. What is NCR? NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the thing, right? Suppose here I am giving you 4C2. Okay, here I have given you 4P2 first. 4P2 means 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial, which is 2 factorial, which is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Altogether, it will give you the value 12. Now, what is 4C2? 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial, which is 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial will be cancelled. 2 into 2, which is 6. Did you understand the formula for NPR and NCR?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now for this NPR and for this NCR, we have to write the program. So, if you observe this, what we need as my input? I need 4 and 2, which means n and r values I need as my input. So we have to read the n and r values. After that, what is a function you have to call? Every time what we are applying the factorial. We know how to write the function for factorial. So every time we have to call the, which means programmatically, how can we write fact of n, comma, fact of n minus r, and fact of r. Fact of n divided by fact of n minus r into fact of r. This what is fact means we have to write that function. What is fact of n? Initially we assume the fact is equals to 1, and for I is equals to 0, or you may start with 1 also. I less than n, I plus plus, fact is equals to fact into I. This is the logic for factorial. Every time we will call this fact function. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Chaprishita. Okay, ma, this is the thing. Okay. See here, every program execution starts with, is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So every program starts its execution with main function. In this, what is the input? I told you n and r. So I'm reading the n value, I'm reading the r value. Next, system.out.print of NCR is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So fact function I have written here. Fact of int num, fact is equals to 1, I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, fact equals to fact into I am returning that fact. Next, NPR formula. NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Am I clear with this? Is there any confusion or is there any difficulty? Am I clear with this? Say yes sir, no ma. Okay. Note chesi execute cheyandi. Once I'll show you the output also ma. After that you what is the class name? How can we execute? Simply Java space program name. It is asking me to enter n value. I'm entering n is 4 and r is 2. See, NCR is 6, NPR is 12. Have we got the same thing or not? Have we got the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now note down and execute. If you get any errors, please do ask. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Complete. Done, ma. Done, ma. Rishita, Seshu.
Ma'am, I've noted down. I'm not on my laptop, ma'am. It is not. It is troubling since morning.
Okay. What about Seshu, Nalini?
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Complete it. After that, please acknowledge. That's it. Done, ma? Nalini?
And program is done, but execution I have a problem.
What is the problem? Please let me know.
I execute it in command prompt. It is not changing the directories.
Okay. Then you put all programs in the same directory, no? What's wrong in that?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing that only.
Okay. After that, please acknowledge. Then I'll start the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, roll number 49. We'll wait 2 minutes and then we'll move on to the next program.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting error, ma'am.
Please share your screen. I'll give you the permission. Okay, please share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see it?
Yes, yes. Until అని ఇచ్చామా util కదా import java.util. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూడు. No need of .java. Okay, enter the value. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, ma. Next, for example, next concept is same permutation and combination. Suppose here I'm having 3 digits. I mean 3 numbers I'm having. You assume n is equals to 3. I'm having 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. How many ways are there to arrange 3 numbers? How many ways are there? Generally, how many ways? What is the formula? How many ways are there to arrange means what is the formula? What is the formula, ma? 3 digits are there. So 3 factorial ways are there to arrange. What are the 3 factorial ways? First, the arrangement is 1, 2, 3. Next is 1, 3, 2. Next is 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. These are the ways to arrange the given numbers, right? 3 factorial ways are possible. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, these many ways are there to arrange the given 3 digits. So 3 factorial ways are there. Now you have to get all these ways you have to print as your output if you give the array. Okay, 1, 2, 3 means which is like array. It is a collection of numbers. No, so if you pass the input as an array, it has to produce the number of ways and what are the ways also. Number of ways and what are the ways to arrange the given array that you have to produce as your output. Did you get the question first? Did you get the question first? 31, 34. నీ వాయిస్ రావట్లేదమ్మా 34. 31 or 33. Anyone of you please respond or else 49.
Ma'am, tell the question once again.
Seema, there are 3 numbers. You have to arrange the 3 numbers. How many ways are there to arrange the numbers? So the formula is n factorial. Here n is 3 factorial. So 6 ways are possible. What are the ways means 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. These are the number of ways to arrange the given array. So you have to take this as your input and produce this as your output. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm moving forward. I'll go to the program directly. Okay. This is the thing. So I'm starting from, every program starts its execution from main function, right? In this main function, first scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.out.println. Enter the number of elements. How many elements you want, you enter that elements. Int a equals to new int of n, which means array. I'm reading here array and I'm just printing that. Next, system.out.println of permutation is here. I'm giving the number of ways. A, what I'm passing as my argument? A, I'm passing as my argument to the permit function. In this permit function, what I have written, observe carefully. If k is equals to length, which means only 0 elements, simply I'm printing that. If not, what we have to do? First, what we are doing? I'll tell you here itself. Is both the screens visible, ma? Is both the screens visible? Say yes or no.
No, ma'am. Only one is visible.
See, on that I have opened one paint. No, is that visible?
No, ma'am.
See, I'm writing something. Is it visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Avuna? What can you able to see now? What can you able to see now?
Ma'am.
Only notepad or both the screens? I mean, the notepad and paint.
Ma'am.
Only notepad.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing something. No, is it visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I can't do anything then. Okay, ma. See only the notepad. Okay. Observe here. What I have written first arrangement is 1, 2, 3, right? First arrangement is 1, 2, 3. First arrangement is 1 second. First arrangement I have taken as 1, 2, 3. Next, what I did, I make simply 1 as constant and remaining 2, 3 I have interchanged. That's what I have written here. I'm simply swapping these two numbers and making the first one as constant. Next, I'm calling the next thing permute. Permute means again I'm calling the same function. Next, after that, I'm keeping the second one as it is and 1, 3, I'm doing the swap function. That's what I have written here. Next, I'm keeping the third one as it is and I'm swapping the remaining 2. This is nothing but the only logic for the, getting the number of ways. We'll see the output, what we will get. What is the class name? Permutation 1. Enter the number of elements it is asking. Same what we have seen, the same I'm giving here 3 and the elements are 1, 2, 3 I have assumed. Okay. Okay, 1 second, ma'am. I think I did not. Enter the number of elements. I'm giving it 3. Okay, the numbers are 1, 2, 3. I'm giving. Okay, the permutation, how it is giving 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Are we getting the output or not? I'll arrange this, ma. So to avoid the confusion, enter the number of elements. After this, I'll print a statement that system.out.println of enter the array elements. Enter the array elements. Okay. Then it will ask you to enter the array elements. And where we are printing, here we are printing, right? A of I we are printing here. Yes, A of I we are printing here. Okay. Same I'm executing, ma. Enter the number of elements 3. Now it is asking the enter the array elements. Then no confusion, right? 1, 2, 3. Arrangements are 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion? Please raise your voice. Is there any confusion?
Ma'am, output is not visible, ma'am.
See, output screen is not visible. Command prompt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see that. Okay, I did not share that entire screen, I think. That's why earlier also you have faced the same thing. Now, is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once again, I'll execute, ma. First, once again, I'll explain and execute because మరి ముందు నుంచి చెప్పచ్చు కదా. No, can you able to see both the screens?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll explain. See, what I'm taking as system.out.println, enter the number of elements. N I'm taking as 3. Next, it is asking me to enter the array elements. Enter the array elements. Array elements I am entering as 1, 2, 3. Is it visible, ma? 1, 2, 3, what I'm writing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what I'm doing, permutation is permute function. So I'm calling the permute function. In that permute function, k is nothing but the a dot length means 3. Okay. Now I is equals to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. Just this is for printing. What we are printing, what we are having, we are printing that here. This is simply a print statement. Next, what I'm doing, I'm keeping 1 as it is and I'm exchanging this 2, 3. I'm swapping this 2, 3. First I'm writing as it is. Next I'm exchanging this as 1, 3, 2. This is the second. Next permute function. Next we are passing this. Next I'm keeping 2 as constant and 1 and 3. Next 3 and 1. Next I'm keeping 3 as constant. And then 1, 2 and 3 as constant, 2, 1. So 2 times I have returned the swap function because I'm making one thing as constant, the remaining 2 elements only, I'm doing the swapping function. So this is nothing but the giving the number of ways to print. If there are n elements, there are n factorial. No, what are the combinations also I'm printing here. Now we'll execute this. cd space Java programs. Now, how can we execute Java C space permutation? What is the file name? Permutation1.java. Okay, I have given the spelling wrong. Okay. Next, Java space permutation1. It is asking me the enter the number of elements. Same I'm giving one to avoid the confusion. Enter the array elements. 2, and 3. See, first 3 is same given 1, 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 3, 2. Next keeping the second one as constant 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You people execute this. After completion, please acknowledge. Okay. I think it is visible, right?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Done, ma? Nalini? Did you get the output?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is nothing but the permutation. Here, what I have taken? I have taken the input array as an integer. Will you implement the same with strings? Which means here I have taken the integer array. No, will you implement the same thing with strings? Did you get my question? Okay, I'll tell you the question. See, suppose Geetam I have given. Okay, Geetam is very big, right? So next I'm considering it. CSC I have taken. Okay, CSC means here the characters can be arranged like CSC, CS, SCE, SEC. Will you do this? How can you arrange the given string? Did you get my point, ma? Please respond. Can you please respond, Nalini? Sheshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, will you do it?
I'll try.
Okay. All of you try this. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Please try with strings. I have explained you the integers. No, now you try with strings. What are you doing? Roll number 8, Akila. Roll number 8, Akila. Completed, ma? Nalini, have you tried?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. After that, please acknowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. See, this is the string. What is the string? I have taken simply ABC. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same thing. What we did is, in the main function, I have taken the string instead of array. I have taken the string instead of integer array. I'm finding the length. Same permute function I have called. I did not change anything. Simply swap function. Earlier I did not write the function. Swap function implemented there itself. Simply here I have taken the swap function. Swap and swap function. Here I have written. Temp is equals to array name I have taken as character array. You simply take it as A. Temp equals to A equals to B equals to temp. Nothing changed in that. Everything is same. We'll see the output. Java C space permutation dot Java space. No change in that, ma. That is integer array. This is character array. That's it. See, ABC, ACB, BAC, BBA, CAB. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is nothing but the permutation for a string, the number of ways to arrange the given string. Now we'll move towards probability. Can you tell me what is probability? What is the formula for probability? What is the formula for probability? What is the formula, ma? Any one of you, please respond. Seishu, Unava? Probability formula. What is probability means? Number of favorite occurrences divided by total number of occurrences. Total number of occurrences, which means, observe carefully. Here, for example, I'm giving you an array. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1, 6. Assume this is the given array. In this given array, I'm asking you to find the probability of occurrence of 2. What is my question? Find the probability of occurrence of 2. Ante ela chestam mana? First we'll count the 2 value. No, 1, no, 2, no. So 2 times. Favorite occurrences means what is the key value here? 2. How many times it has repeated in the given array? 2 times it has repeated. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of elements are 8, which is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means it is 0.25, I think. Right? If you observe the thing, always the probability is in between 0 to 1 only. Suppose here here one more 1 is there. I have asked you to find the occurrence of 1. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. So which is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means which is 6. 4, 5, 40. So it is 0.375. Is it 1 to 1 or not? Yes. So probability is always in between 0 to 1. From the given array, how can we find the probability? Means number of favorite occurrences divided by total number of occurrences. This is the formula for probability. Now what we are going to implement is, suppose if you give the array, okay, suppose if you give the array and if you pass the key value like either 2 or 1, whatever the value, whatever the value you want to find the number of occurrences, that you pass it like a key and find the probability of that particular key value. Did you understand the question? Roll number 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the programming part. This is probability, right? So class probability, every program execution starts with main function, right? In this main function, what is the array I have taken? 4, 7, 2, 0, 8, 7, 5. K is equals to 7. Key value I'm passing as 7. I'm calling the present probability of A comma N comma N. A means array, N is nothing but the length of the array, and K is nothing but the key value I'm passing. What I did, count. Initially, we are assuming that the element is not present in the list. So the count is 0. Next, we are starting with 0th element, 0th position to N minus 1th position. That's why 0 to N. I'm counting. If it is equals to the key value, increment the count. If it is equals to key value, increment the count. So at last, how many times the favorable element, which is the key value, is present in the element, is present in the variable count. So count divided by total number, which is nothing but the length, right? So total number. Is there any confusion, ma? Is there any confusion? Now we'll see the output. CD dot CD dot. See, it is simply 0.29. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this program? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note down this and execute it. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you get any errors, please share your screen. Okay, complete this. In the next session, we'll see the heapify method, heap method. So, first you complete this. Okay, roll number 34. Okay, Ma, today we discussed about probability, permutation and combination, and number of ways to arrange the given array, which means that may be an integer array or that may be a string. Okay, these things we have seen. Still, those who did not execute any of the program, please execute. And I think Nalini, you did not execute the string, right? Roll number 34. If your mic
Yes,
is not,
ma'am.
you did not execute the string, just you have tried, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this also you may execute. Please take this. After completion of mid 2, that is not next week. Next week in the date 31st. Next week. On 7th, I'll conduct the first internal examination. Okay. So till now what we discussed, that is probability, permutations, hashing, and in the next session I'm going to explain heap. This 4 will be your internal exam syllabus. Not next week. After that week I'll take, that is on, what is the date I told you, 7th, right? 7th will be your lab internal exam. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you did not complete this thing, please make a note of it and complete. If you complete up to this point, please acknowledge and I'll scroll down. So many people are not responding in the coding class. Only are responding in the flat session. See, Ma, this is also for 100 marks. Okay, if you are not responding, means your day-to-day observation marks will be reduced. Definitely, there is a difference between those who are responding and those who are not responding. At least if your mic is not working, you may respond through chat box. No, you are not at all responding. Though I'm calling your numbers or names, still you are not responding. Don't do like this.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
After completion, please acknowledge my roll number 34.
Ma'am, error.
Okay, please share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see it?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Permutation is simply small letter, no?
Ma'am, last one, ma'am, here.
Okay. You put S as capital?
Yes, ma'am.
It is working, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I got only 4 combinations.
4 combinations. Somewhere you, I think somewhere you have missed. See, you have started with 1. I think you have given click less than or equals to, no? That is not 1, ma, that is L. Because you have passed L and R, no? That's why 0 is missing.
Okay.
See, per probability you have examined.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you got
Thank
everything,
you.
right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Any doubts regarding today's session? If you have any doubts, please let me know. If you have any doubts, please do ask. Raise your voice. Those who are having doubts, they can stay and remaining people can leave the session.